Damn, you look good.
One more egg. One more egg. Oh, your skin needs to find some eggs.
Oh, that's right.
Who has the blue egg, the dark blue egg? Okay. What's in there, Leah? Huh? A donkey. Hey,
What you got?
what is it?
Egg?
3 coins, right? What did the coins have? What is that, Am? Is it a little cup? It's a cup. I'm going to read this one more time, okay, honey? The soldiers of the governor took Jesus into the governor's headquarters, and they gathered the whole battalion. Hail, King of the Jews. So what do you think that is? That's right. Very good. So they put that down on Jesus' head.
I got this.
Oh, look at that. That's a stretchy bunny, huh?
Yeah, you can open.
Yeah. Oh, and you got stickers. Very good, Aaliyah.
Open it like
Oh,
Pierce.
we got a giraffe.
Now you got a giraffe. Is that a monkey? Oh, Reese got one.
I got her bunny.
Yours is sweethearts, Emily.
My bunny.
What was your first one? Oh, yeah, the bunny.
I've got a bunny.
You got a bunny?
My sister has it though.
Got another bunny?
I have 2
Oh,
bunnies.
boy. Did you get